strengthening for kids and adults with autism spectrum disorder. Autism is a brain condition affecting social skills, communication, and behavior. It begins in childhood and continues throughout life. First, we'll strengthen the central nervous system, spine, and tailbone. We make it strong and integrate it in all possible combinations, top to bottom, bottom to top, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back and forth, forward and backward, at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen to detox bad food, cell waste, dead cells and microbes. We remove the encapsulation of cells and tissues. We remove heavy metals, stagnant blood, excess calcium and minerals. We eliminate fetal waste, carbon dioxide, ammonia and petroleum derivatives. We remove food dyes and preservatives. We eliminate toxins produced by chemical substances, medications, recreational drugs, prescription drugs, embryonic waste, toxin-aged cells, abnormal DNA replicas. We remove damage caused by free radicals. We break down encapsulated cells and tissues into molecules, atoms and quarks. We remove smog, smoke, solvents and cleaning agents. We activate cellular black holes to clean all waste, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate toxicity in bodily fluids and cellular waste. We remove toxicity in food, water, environment, and eliminate dehydration. Strong to remove deoxygenation and calcifications. Boost water, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, and growth hormone. Enhance distribution and use of vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Increase negative charges, decrease positive charges. Raise alkaline pH. Lower acidic pH, reduce positive ions, increase negative ions, boost internal voltage to at least 9 volts, remove toxins from food, water, and environmental sources, activate cellular processes, balance tension and relaxation, strengthen central nervous system for colon function. We strengthen the endocrine system and all its components. We strengthen the digestive system and all its components. We boost internal dynamics and clear the lymphatic system of blockages, stagnation, congestion, inflammation, and active or dormant viral and bacterial infections. We remove toxins, parasites, poisons, dead cells, waste, and address dehydration and oxygen deficiency. We fortify the lymphatic system, nodes, channels, fluids, and centers, and strengthen the liver, kidneys, and bladder for elimination. We reinforce the large intestine, sweat and salivary glands, lungs, ease nerve pain, boost circulation, and increase energy. We clear lymphatic blockages and eliminate basic waste. We remove toxins, spinal pain, and eliminate brain weaknesses. We clear the mind and remove weaknesses from two sources. We boost peristalsis, eliminate body fusion. We resolve body misalignment. We remove weaknesses linked to multiple personalities. We integrate internal with external and external with internal. We connect large and small intestines and vice versa. We fix twisted and fallen intestines. We increase oxygen and glucose in mitochondria. We boost growth hormone production, use, distribution, and transport. We increase removal of dead cells, tissues, and organs, mismatched cells, confused cells, altered chromosomes, damaged DNA, cells with polarity loss, aged cells, misfolded proteins, encapsulation of cells, tissues, and fluids. We remove encapsulation, infiltrated spaces, exudates, poorly digested food, heavy metals, overcalcification, radiation, asbestos, arsenic, benzene, beryllium, cadmium, chromium, nickel, radon, food dyes and preservatives, embryo remains, free radicals. We send all this to the lymphatic system at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We strengthen the frontal lobe and all its associated functions, muscle activity, speech, intelligence, reasoning, behavior, memory, personality, and thought processes. We strengthen the occipital lobe to improve vision. We strengthen temporal lobes to enhance smell, hearing, language, word meaning, and behavior. Strengthen parietal lobes to improve sensory function, touch, taste, pressure, pain, heat, cold. We integrate eye, brain, mind. We integrate brain and mind. We integrate mind, brain, eye, right brain, left brain, cranial issues, print-related weaknesses, visual field limitations. We link brain, notebook brain, book brain, computer brain, lecture brain, and you. We boost the frontal lobe, we reduce daily routine's impact, we lessen school or work struggles, we ease issues with teachers and peers, we diminish past people's influence, we sync body, mind, body, nervous system, body, mind, nervous system, mind. We reduce toxins and medications. We strengthen the frontal lobe, coordination and concentration. We enhance coordination through two-way communication in body, mind, and nerves. Strong nerves to boost concentration. We ensure all integrations are done top down, bottom up, right to left, left to right, from inside out, outside in, back, forward and forward, back, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Let's eliminate mind and nervous system deficiencies, strengthen central nervous system to boost focus, remove flaws in mind, brain and eye, brain, mind, brain, as well as all cranial dysfunctions. We strengthen and integrate this communication. Separate right hemisphere from left, left from right, level and strengthen them. With the middle sulcus, 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Separate Broca's area, Wernicke's area, medial prefrontal, temporal cortex, and amygdala. Erase all weaknesses in each of them and their combinations to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. Ensure all are centered, balanced, and stable, and strengthen them. Enhance in Wernicke's area, comprehension and language processing. We enhance connectivity in the genic area to optimize structural modifications. We strengthen social connectivity networks in the brain, reinforcing neural networks dedicated to social processes, enhancing facial perception and empathy, eliminating alterations in these networks' connectivity and function, improving our ability to recognize and understand social cues, including facial expressions and nonverbal communication, clearing stagnation, blockages, and pathogen activation, addressing congestion, inflammation, infection, and tissue damage, resolving traumas, diseases, limitations, fears, and phobias, clearing karmas, toxins, poisons, and negative experiences, strengthening all nerve impulses to and from the brain, enhancing nerve impulses to and from the spinal cord, boosting thought, emotion, and movement capabilities, improving all basic functions, muscle tone and posture, automatism, language, feelings, and sleep. We strengthen biochemical process balance, boost neural functions, enhance dynamism, improve flexibility, adaptability, plasticity, strengthen signal transmission and synaptic links, enhance molecule formation and cell polarization. We address weaknesses in brain commissures, white matter, brainstem and cranial nerves, spinal cord, meninges, cerebellum and more, cerebrospinal fluid, gut microbiome connection, brain, motor and sensory centers, pineal gland, pituitary, hypothalamus, balance and strengthen to boost all physical potential in the front, strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, integrating cortex, cerebellum, and brainstem with motor and sensory centers, all combined, aligning 12 cranial nerve pairs, left and right, right, left, and with the spinal nerves. We integrate nerve cells, axons, dendrites, synapses, and myelin sheaths, all from top to bottom, right to left, left to right, inside out, outside in, back to front, and front to back, 100% with infinite potential, all the time, endlessly, strengthening neuromuscular, lymphatic, vascular junctions of bones, cartilage, connective tissue, organs, glands, systems. We enhance communication abilities, improve conversation skills, strengthen social interaction, increase cognitive and behavioral flexibility, eliminate weaknesses caused by change that cause resistance to attachments and routines. We strengthen sensory regulation, strong, neutral to hypersensitivity to stimuli. We enhance memory and logical thinking, separate all genetic and environmental causes that trigger and maintain this disorder active. We erase weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time, and increase neutrality in these areas. We remove karmas and curses for special needs children, direct, indirect, and partially indirect. Strengthen your family and community so you reach your full potential and highest quality of life. We erase others and your weaknesses to improve to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely strong against individual and collective challenges, strong for inclusion, non-inclusion, understanding, non-understanding, respect, disrespect, strong and neutral towards all options. We erase the weaknesses caused in others by your communication difficulties, lack of eye contact, your style of social interaction, repetitive and stereotype behaviors. We erase from you others' mindsets that affect, limit, delay, or prevent your improvement. We send this mind to other universes, dimensions, and unknown realms of space-time, dark matter, energy, and cosmic phenomena. Let's remove the false security from rigid routines, repetitive behaviors, and obsessive interests, as well as the resistance to change. We eliminate fear, anxiety, and anger tied to these patterns, staying strong and neutral whether they persist or not, at 100% potential, all the time within our finite existence. We erase memories, both yours and others, linked to hypersensitivity to sensory stimuli. We clear recollections of loud noises, bright lights, or textures and colors that trigger painful, fearful memories. We remove the buildup of anger outbursts or intense anxiety when facing changes or new situations. We eliminate the weakness in physical spaces, the community, and those living with you daily. We strengthen your daily interactions. We remove built-up anger and intense anxiety about changes or new situations, bolster your routine structure and clear visual communication. We enhance verbal skills, ability to follow instructions, and maintain routines and structure. We make you resilient to environmental weaknesses and draining energies from yourself and others, as well as in spaces you regularly inhabit. We improve tension management, relaxation, and effort. We make you strong for therapies and activities. We strengthen your entire family, near and far, to accept this condition. We reinforce unconditional love, patience, and understanding for you and your parents. We make them all strong in educating about and understanding this condition. All of them facing the challenges of the disorder and life's inherent difficulties, all strong in seeking support, help, guidance, and resources, all strong in celebrating both small and big achievements, strong for continuous progress, each family member strong enough to care for themselves without guilt or shame, strong to accept sameness and difference, change and perception, strengthening internal and external dynamics, boundaries and all aspects to 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time, infinitely. Erasing all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, rejuvenate, and readjust your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now?